We're now on the stand of Jiatai Aircraft Engineering, and I'm joined by Jingfeng Liu, who's the chairman of the company. Welcome, Jingfeng, to ABN. Tell us a little bit about the company.
So with over 3 decades of experience in aviation seat manufacturing, Jiatai has established comprehensive capabilities in R&D, testing, and production. The company currently has an annual production capacity of 40,000 packs of passenger seats. And Jiatai is a line seat supplier for Boeing, Airbus, and Comac. So for the future, we focus on 3 directions for our products. The first one is intelligent. Jiatai fully leverages China's strength in wireless communication technology, 5G, big data, and cloud computing to study future intelligent cabin seats and provide more intelligent and convenient services for our passengers during flights. The second one is lightweight. So Jiatai is increasing R&D in composite materials and other advanced technologies. So the third one is sustainability. Jiatai is using green materials innovation and green manufacturing process to create healthier and eco-passenger seats and contribute to the sustainable development of humankind. So thank you.
Thank you.